Next presentation is titled Customized COTS, the best of both worlds, presented by Marek from Advantech NCG. Okay, let me introduce Peter, the latest presenter of the keynote session. Peter is responsible for the implementation of x86-based technology across the broad portfolio of Advantech networking and communication products. Peter's background is heavily rooted in how we design and system architecture for blade architectures, such as ATCA, Compare PCI, and advanced managing cards. Let's welcome Peter.
Welcome to this keynote. My name is Peter Marek, Director x86 Solution at Advantech's Network and Communications Group. I would like to introduce you to our customized COTS framework and the benefit it brings. Advantech provides a variety of networking platforms powering the network infrastructure of today and tomorrow. Our world-class customers are network equipment providers, network security vendors, and telecom equipment manufacturers, targeting a broad range of markets where performance, flexibility, and scalability are fundamental to maintaining their technology leadership. They embed Advantech blades and systems in their products to accelerate the evolution of solutions, which must respond to rapidly changing customer needs in fast-evolving networking markets. Advantech does not only provide an unmatched range of commercial off-the-shelf products that scale all the way from tabletop boxes over dual Xeon appliances to high-end blades and systems. We also treat this as a basic investment to support our customers' business with more flexible engagements, which can include full custom designs and joint developments. We do that because we believe that our customers need to differentiate in their markets. And differentiation will not only come from application software. In times of shrinking R&D budgets, resources and tighter time to market requirements, our customers are facing severe pressures to release products that cope with the traffic explosion in the networks. In such an environment, pure standard product-based strategies are lacking flexibility and tend not to meet the price targets. On the flip side, full custom ODM design may give you the price you want, but may take too long and too many resources to complete. Advantech are addressing this with a step in between: customized standard products, or customized COTS, as we call it. So what is customized COTS? It is basically a best of both worlds approach that tries to combine the benefits of standard products with the advantages of custom design. From the standard product side, Advantech keeps investing in creating the basic IP based on leading silicon from companies like Intel, for example. We usually launch our standard products coincident with Intel's silicon launch in the PC and server markets. This gives customers a time to market advantage, but lowers the technical and schedule risk for any customization. Of course, it also reduces the NRE for such customization. As Advantech does market and sell the standard products, this is not just a sandbox exercise for some engineers. We really create hardened and field-tested IP. Advantech keeps updating its roadmap with new products and takes care of the related lifecycle management. The economy of scale we achieve and the investment we take yield very attractive total cost of ownership for our clients. But how do we maintain some ODM advantages? Well, we can do that because we design our standard products with later customization in mind. And our processes are tailored to support the customized COTS business model. We support more than just branding and simple cost optimization based on changes in the bill of materials. Our customization support can include the integration of some special IP, our customer's secret sauce as we call it. If the sauce is really secret, we even enable customers to do that part of the design in-house. That's what we call flexibility. But let's have a look at what customized COT means for different products. For standard appliances and servers, customized COT starts off with modifying the system configuration of the box, not only in terms of CPU, memory and storage options, but especially also the I/O subsystem and acceleration hardware. Our branding capabilities go beyond changing colors and labels. We even modify strings that the BIOS displays and product IDs visible from the OS. We can tweak the BIOS and IPMI firmware to implement custom features or default settings. In the next step, we do customization of the chassis and also can design custom I/O cards in our proprietary network mezzanine card, short NMC form factor, that yields the highest I/O density in the industry. Of course, we also support designing standard form factor boards such as PCI Express cards. Finally, we can also customize the motherboard. Again, this means real customization, not just changing the bill of materials. And we even change the mechanical design to match customers' branded design. Look at an example in the middle. What we have created out of a 2U standard dual Xeon platform, a 1U, a 2U, and a 3U system using customers' industrial design. The 3U product even integrates a managed 10 gig E-switch. That's impressive. For blades, we take a similar approach. Customized COTS starts with branding, BOM modifications, and firmware modifications. Changing the I/O configuration is a little bit more complicated on blades than it is for appliances, as there are, well, I should say, usually there are no I/O slots on blades like there are on motherboards. Our product architects and R&D folks have come up with some pretty smart concepts to support customized COTS on blades. Rear transition modules, short RTMs, plug into the blade from the rear side of the chassis. With up to 32 PCI Express lanes running at Gen 3 speeds, SAS, SATA and USB ports, our latest blades support more than 250 gigabits per second I/O bandwidth to the RTM. 250 gigabits per second. Wow. But can we also add some configurable I/Os on the front blade itself? Yes, we can. Our compact PCI blades support PMC and XMC modules. For our ATCA, we have come up with something really cool. We call it fabric mezzanine modules, FMMs. FMMs are much smaller and more cost-effective than AMCs and have far more PCI Express connectivity. 16 lanes of 8 gigabits per second PCI Express on a module that's about 3 by 2.5 inches small. FMMs can be used to add additional or custom I/O or accelerators, for instance for Intel Quick Assist technology on a blade or on an RTM. Right, FMMs also fit on RTMs. But even better, you can use FMMs to provide different backplane fabric options. This allows you to not only migrate from 10 gig to 40 gig backplanes seamlessly, it also gives you the option to implement different fabrics, such as serial rapid I/O. The hottest thing about it is that FMMs can also give you more fabric ports. Instead of 2 40 gig ports, you can now have 4 40 gig ports on a blade. At a system level, that allows us to double the switching capacity from 640 gigabits per second to 1.28 terabits per second. That's what we call technology leadership. Sorry, I'm getting too excited of what levels of flexibility and benefits FMMs can bring to our customers. I would love to talk about more details and specific products, but time is running out for this keynote. So I'd like you to visit our ATCA booth in the virtual show floor to pick up data sheets and white papers. To summarize, we believe customized COTS is the future. Not only our future, our customers' future. It allows them to stay ahead of the pack in the race for higher performance products at lower cost. It frees up resources to focus on core competencies while reducing the cost for product lifecycle management, as Advantech continuously invests in next generation standard products. At Advantech, we live and breathe customized COTS. It is built into R&D, manufacturing and business processes and well supported from the technical concept stage throughout after-sales service. Customized COTS is pervasive. The secret to the efficiency in our customized COTS approach is that we design our standard products with later customization in mind. A lot of people can do customization, but not as fast and efficient as Advantech, and not at the same low risk levels. And it spans our complete range of networking platforms, network appliances, servers, blades in various form factors, up to bladed systems. Last but not least, our philosophy of providing customized COTS hooks on our standard products drives innovation. Innovations such as FMMs that add value to our customers, value that allows them to differentiate, stay technology leaders, and finally, be successful. Features, platform, technology. Advantech, your choice.
Thanks, Peter, and thanks for everyone's listening and participating. If you have any questions about today's presentation or are interested in Advantech solutions, you can post question or message by clicking on the question button, and our service rep will respond to you either online or offline. We look forward to hearing you soon. Have a nice day.